Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to send dice on Monopoly Go to friends. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to send dice to your friends on Monopoly Go, it's actually not really that possible since it's not a feature anymore. So the things that you have to do is actually tell them to go to friends and family, and they will invite other people to get the free dice in Monopoly Go. So it's not really possible for you to send the dice itself and then them receiving it. Here's another way they can do it by just adding some more friends. As you can see here, by doing contacts or inviting them in Facebook and such, they will get free dices like here. Just add them in your contacts. Just find the friends, just add contacts, just type somebody's number below, invite them to play Monopoly Go too, and they will receive free dices, 30 in total actually. So that's just how you send dice on Monopoly Go to your friends. It's very simple, and there's no really other way since whatever you try to search out there might not be true. Like in TikTok, like it will say how to get unlimited dice rolls in Monopoly Go or how to send dice on Monopoly Go, since it's not really possible anymore to do that. So here's just a simple way to do that. As I said, just go to friends, invite them, and there you go. It's fairly simple to do. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.